Hi, a quick video how to check your oil level in your CVT box for Mercedes B-Class. So, company Fabi Blistein offers us a solution in form of dipstick made for your CVT box. According to this manual, we have two ways to measure the oil level at 50 degrees Celsius and at 80 degrees Celsius. Normally, you should be fine if you just follow this gauge here, the temperature gauge here. When it's around 80 degrees, you should be okay. But for demonstration purpose, I will use my scanning tool and we will see how it goes there. So now I'm just going to start the car and it's gonna work for some time, and when I'll be around 80 degrees, I'll go further. About the dipstick itself, you will see, I will provide you with the stock number, and I will also put the link in description below where you can order it. So now we just wait some time, and when we get to 80 degrees we can go further. Okay, let's see now how warm is our CVT box. So now I'm going to transmission. Read the data stream. Oil level check. Transmission oil temperature. At this moment it's 25 degrees Celsius, so I will have to wait a little bit more. After about half hour of Candy Crush on my phone, I was finally able to get this CVT box at 50 degrees Celsius, and that story I told you that you can speculate on your engine temperature gauge here, forget it. I was wrong. I am sorry.
I am sorry.
This is the one you need to remove. It just comes out like so. And here is where you need to fill in your oil. But before that, I will put the dipstick in there and we'll see the level. According to the manual, it will stick out a little because it doesn't need to go in there all the way in. That's okay, that's normal. But 50 degrees, it should be about from 2 up to 4. Let's see. If this is true, I have too much oil in my gearbox. I need to let it out a little and do the right adjustments. So this gearbox have been to a garage for a maintenance before I bought this car, and as you can see they added just too much oil in it, and this is why I had that weird noise while driving. So now I'm going to let out some oil and I will need to fill it in the proper way back at the right level. Now I'm going to lift the car. I will get under it. I will show you where the CVT is located and the drain plug. I'm going to drain about 1.5 liters of oil from it. Then I will warm it up back to 50 degrees Celsius, and then I will start the oil level adjustment. It's almost 2.5 liters in there because 1 liter, 1.5 was not enough. So I drained more, and now I'm going to level this back, and then I'm going to warm this up to 50 degrees, and I'm going to measure it again. Alright, test number 1 without making it warm back to 50 degrees. I'm just going to check how low am I at the moment. So I'm very low now. I'm going to fill it up, and then I'm going to warm the gearbox. I'm going to do this with this funnel with a long tail because it's a little bit deep in there, and there we go. Yes, it's almost at 4, so it's okay. Now I'm going to warm up the engine and test again. One more thing may be useful, I forgot to mention. At the time that this car is idling, with your gearbox, just let the oil flow to every corner. Just a few times, like this, and listen to any weird noise. That's it. It has been 50 degrees now. Let's check. Level 3. We'll try to show it to you. I'm not sure if you can see this, but it's exactly at level 3. So I'm actually now at perfect level. According to the manual, I'm between 2 and 4. I think I'm going to keep this that way. I'm not going to overfill it. Hopefully I have fix this small issue, and I'm hoping my gearbox hasn't gone bad for that time. And thank you for being with me. I hope this video was useful. Take care.